Good afternoon, students. So yesterday we have seen the EMI. So there are two ways by which banks or housing finance companies charge interest. So first one is reducing balance method, that is interest on reducing balance, and second one is flat interest rate. So from example we have also seen the reducing rate of reducing balance method is more suitable or it is a beneficial. So people prefer reducing balance scheme. Okay, and nowadays flat interest scheme is rarely used. Okay, so today we are going to learn some examples regarding to EMI. So how to find the EMI? So let's see first example. So find EMI on a loan of rupees 1 lakh to be repaid in equal monthly installments. Interest is charged at 12% per annum on the loan outstanding at the beginning of each month and the time span in 5 years. Okay, so we have to find here the EMI on a loan of rupees 1 lakh. That is 1 lakh is a principal value, that is present value, to be repaid in equal monthly installment. Interest is charged at 12% per annum. Here R is equal to 12. So I is equal to 12 upon 1200. On the loan outstanding means here we have to use reducing balance system. So at the beginning of each month and the time span in 5 years, that is n is equal to 5. So n is equal to 5. Therefore 5 into 12 is equal to 60 months. There are the 60 months. Okay, so let's see how to solve this example. So first write what is given. So principal P is equal to 1 lakh. Then R is equal to 12. So R is equal to 12% and this rate of interest is per annum per 100 rupees. So we can calculate I is your interest on rupees per month. So divide 12 by 100 into 12, that is 1200. That is 12 upon 1200. That is 1 upon 100. That is 0.01 is a rate of interest per rupees per month. Per rupees per month. So n is equal to 5 years. So 5 years means 12 into 5 is equal to 60 months. Okay, so we have to find the EMI, that is we have to calculate value of X. So use the formula, that is P is equal to X upon I in bracket 1 minus 1 plus I raised to minus N. Okay, so substitute the value. So P is equal to 1 lakh. Then we have to calculate the value of X. Then substitute the value of I, that is 0.01. So 1 minus 1 plus 0.01 bracket raised to, so what is the value of N? That is 60 months. So it is equal to 60. So we get X upon 0.01 upon 1 minus 1 plus 0.01, that is 1.01 raised to 60. Okay. Then here 0.01 at the denominator after shifting 1 lakh multiplied by 0.01, which is equal to X in bracket 1 minus 1.01 raised to 60. So here the 1000 calculation is 1000 is equal to X upon 1 minus. So what is the value of 1.01 raised to 60 is 0.5504. Okay. Then 1000 is equal to X upon. So 1 minus 0.5504, we get 0.4495. Okay. So X is equal to, so to calculate the value of X, shift the number, that is 0.44955. So 1000 divided by 0.4495 or you can write 55. So we get x is equal to 2224.44. That is, it is approximately equal to 2224 rupees. Okay, so what is the value of EMI? Is 2224 rupees. Let's see next example. Find EMI on a loan of rupees 1 lakh to be repaid in equal monthly installment. Interest is charged at 12% per annum on the loan outstanding at the beginning of each month and time span in 2 years. Here also given that the P is equal to 1 lakh, then R is equal to 12 and therefore I is equal to 12 upon 1200, similar as above problem. And then N is equal to 2 years. 2 years means 2 into 24, 2 into 12, which is equal to 24 months. Here also given the value of 1.01 raised to 60 is 1.8199. Again write the given part. So given is equal to P is equal to 1 lakh. Then R is equal to 12. Therefore I is equal to 12 upon 1200, that is 0.01. Then N is equal to 2 years. 2 years means 2 into 12 is equal to 24 months. Okay, so again write the formula, that is P is equal to x upon I in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I raised to minus n. Okay, and substitute the value in the formula, that is P is equal to 1 lakh. So we have to calculate the EMI. So write x as it is. So 0.01. Okay, in bracket 1 minus. So 1 plus I, value of I is 0.01 raised to minus 24. Okay. Then here 1 lakh multiplied by 0.01 is equal to x in bracket 1 minus 1 plus 1.01, which is equal to minus 24. Okay, so here we get the 1000 is equal to x in bracket 1 minus. So what is the value of 1.01 raised to minus 24 is 0.7876. Then we get 1000 is equal to x 1 minus 0.7876, we get 0.2124. Then to calculate the value of x, shift the number 0.2124. So x is equal to 1000 divided by 0.2124, we get 4707. So EMI is equal to 4707 rupees. Okay. Let's see next example. So find the EMI on a loan of rupees 1 lakh to be repaid in 4 years. Again P is equal to 1 lakh. In 4 years means N is equal to 4 and R is equal to 12% per annum on the balance outstanding at the beginning of each month. Okay, same as it is. So again write given part. So P is equal to 1 lakh. N is equal to 4 years. 4 years means how many months? 4 into 12, that is 48 months. Then R is equal to 12% and therefore I is equal to 12 upon 1200, that is 0.01, and we have to calculate the value of x. Again write the formula, P is equal to x upon I in bracket 1 minus 1 plus I raised to minus n. Substitute the value. So 1 lakh is equal to x upon, what is the value of x? 0.01. So 1 minus 1 plus, what is the value of I? 0.01 raised to minus n. Minus n means n is equal to 48. So minus 48. So 1 lakh multiplied by 0.01 is equal to x in bracket 1 minus 1 plus 0.01 raised to minus 48. So here we get 1000 is equal to x in bracket 1 minus 1.01 raised to minus 48. Again 1000 is equal to x in bracket 1 minus, so what is the value of 1.01 raised to minus 48, which is a 6203. So after the subtraction we get the answer, that is 0.3797, that is 3797. So to calculate the value of x, shift the number 0.3797. So we get x is equal to 1000 divided by 0.3797. So we get the answer 2633. Okay, so value of EMI is 2633. Okay. Next example is, what is the EMI? So here we also calculate the value of x of loan rupees 25,000. So P is equal to 25,000 is repaid in 4 years. So N is equal to 4 into 12. If the rate of interest is 5% per annum, so R is equal to 5, and therefore I is equal to 5 upon 1200. So on the outstanding amount at the beginning of each year. Okay. So total loan amount is 25,000 and rate of interest is 5%. So हमें यहाँ पे क्या निकालना है, फाइंड आउट करना है. देखिए, फाइंड द व्हाट इज द EMI एट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ ईच ईयर. हमें 1 ईयर के लिए क्या करना है, वो फाइंड आउट करना है. सो total loan amount is, so write down the given part. So total loan amount, that is P is equal to 25,000. Okay, then N is equal to 48 months. 48 months. So R is equal to 5%. So 5%, it means 5 upon 1200. That is I is equal to 5 upon 1200. 1200. Here we can calculate the total amount, that is A is equal to 25,000 upon 48. So which is equal to 520 rupees. Okay. So this is the amount. Total loan amount is 25,000 upon 48. We get 520 rupees. Okay. Then interest is 5%. So what is the interest? 5% on rupees 25,000. 5% interest. So on rupees 25,000. Okay. So 1 month के लिए, so 1 month के लिए interest क्या होगा? For 1 month 1,250 upon 12. So we get the 104 rupees. And so EMI is equal to, so EMI हम कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? So 520, your amount, total loan amount is 520 and for 1 month के लिए इंटरेस्ट कितना है? 104. So इंटरेस्ट एंड हमें कितने अमाउंट पे करनी, प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू, वो दोनों मिला के क्या होता है? EMI. So EMI is equal to 520 plus 104. We get 625 rupees. So EMI of loan is equal to 625 rupees. Okay. Now let's see one more example. Here, a washing machine worth rupees 20,000 is purchased on installments basis under 20 monthly installments, including interest at 18% per annum. Find equated monthly installments by monthly reducing balance method. Okay, यहाँ पे भी हमें क्या करना है? रिड्यूसिंग बैलेंस मेथड से EMI फाइंड आउट करना है. तो उसके लिए 20,000 से वॉशिंग मशीन परचेज किया, इसलिए वो क्या हो गया? P की वैल्यू हो गई. सो P इज इक्वल टू 20,000. देन अंडर 20 मंथली, दैट इज N इज इक्वल टू 20 मंथ. यहाँ पे ईयर में नहीं दिया है, मंथ में ही दिया है, इसलिए वो वैसे ही रहेगा. N इज इक्वल टू 20 मंथ्स including interest at 18% per annum. So R is equal to 18 and therefore I is equal to 18 upon 1200. So here formula is P is equal to, first write the given part, that is P is equal to 20,000, R is equal to 18, and therefore I is equal to 18 upon 1200. Then N is equal to 20 months. So what is the formula of P is equal to X upon I in bracket 1 minus 1 plus I raised to minus N. So P is equal to 20,000 is equal to, what is the value of X? So we have to calculate the value of X. So write X as it is. I is equal to 18 upon 1200. So 1 minus 1 plus R, again value of R is 18 upon 1200 bracket raised to minus N. Minus N, what is the value of N? Is 20. So minus 20. Then 20,000. Here 18 upon 1200 is at the denominator. After shifting, we get the 20,000 multiplied by 1200. 18 upon 1200. One minus, here we get 1200 plus 18, that is 1218 upon 1200 raised to minus 20. So 0 0 cancel. So 200 multiplied by 18 is equal to X in bracket. So 1 minus. So 1218 upon 1200. So what is the value? That is 1.015 bracket raised to minus 20. So we get 18 to the 36 is equal to X in bracket 1 minus. So what is the value of 1.015 raised to minus 20 is 0.7425. Okay. Then what is the subtraction of 1 minus 0.7425 is 0.2575. Okay. Then X is equal to, we get 3600 divided by 0.2575. So what is the answer? X is equal to 1164 rupees. Okay. So these are the examples based on the EMI, especially based on the reducing balance system. Okay. So here some formulas are given, that is X is a periodic installment, N is the number of installment, I is the rate of interest per rupees per period, and P dash is the present value of annuity due, and A dash is the amount of annuity due. So P dash is equal to, this is a new formula, with X in bracket 1 plus I upon I, or 1 minus 1 plus I raised to minus N. अगर हमें प्रेजेंट वैल्यू निकालनी है तो वो उसके लिए ये फॉर्मूला हमें क्या करना है, यूज करना है. सेम फॉर्मूला है, बस वहाँ पे हम प्रेजेंट वैल्यू थी और यहाँ पे क्या है, P डैश इज द प्रेजेंट वैल्यू ऑफ एन्युटी ड्यू. A dash, what is the formula of A dash? That is the amount of annuity due. A dash is equal to X in bracket 1 plus I upon I, and 1 plus I raised to N minus 1. And here relation between the present value and amount value is 1 upon P dash minus 1 upon A dash is equal to 1 upon X in bracket 1 plus I, and present value of present value is P dash is equal to X in bracket 1 plus I upon I. So these are the new formulae. Okay. So in next lecture we will see some examples in exercise. Okay. Thank you.